Hi, I'm Tom Bradshaw, Tom the Speech Guy, and in today's video, we're going to talk about pausing and phrasing. So what's the big deal with pausing and phrasing? Well, they're two vital keys to help you have your audience take action. How does that work? Well, remember in the last video, we talked about speed of speech, that Goldilocks zone, that you want to be somewhere in the 145 to 175 words per minute most of the time. That will allow your audience to hear you, understand you, and retain some of the information. But we haven't actually got them to take action yet. And for that, you need pausing and phrasing. Now, a phrase is just simply a thought. And for speakers, we need to get away from written punctuation and think about the thought groups. Now, you'll always sort of notice that if you take some written punctuation and break it up, where would you like to breathe? You'll actually start to break it up into more thought groups. So do that as an exercise and just take some text, break it up, and see where you would put the pauses. Not the written punctuation, but the breath punctuation. And as a speaker, continue to think of speaking one thought at a time. What separates those thoughts? Pauses. And I have a 3-pause rule, because once again, we need some variety. So a 1-beat pause is simply signifying that you've come to the end of that thought, and you need to take a breath. A 2-beat pause is a moment of shared understanding. Online videos are incredibly hard. And then you want a 3-beat pause, usually just before you're about to make the final pitch or the main point of your speech or presentation. And it works incredibly well if you're having a one-on-one conversation. I want you to truly listen to what I'm about to say, because it's the kind of information that will change your life. Watch these videos. And that's it. Pausing and phrasing. Incorporate both of those with your speed of speech, and you'll not only have better focus and retention of your audience, but you'll start to see them taking action. All right, that's it for today. In the next video, we'll talk about the tone of your voice. Until then, I'm Tom the Speech Guy. It's been great talking to you.